Hello, I have another room to show you. I'm still in Sri Lanka, so I check into another place. This place, as you can tell from the shape, it's a tent, and this place is called, let me show you the name, Kottawatta River Bank Resort. I came here from Ella Town. It's around 2.5 to 3 hours drive from Tuk Tuk. Let's show you the overview. Okay, let's show from the outside. This is my tent where I'll be staying here for tonight. I will show you how's the view from outside later. Let's go inside first. Okay. This will be the entrance door. Beside it will be the toilet. And then you have to dock in your key for power. Let's see the toilet. Okay. It's an open concept shower, I believe. You get a bathtub, one shower head. Then you get your shower gel and shampoo, your toilet bowl, bidet, and you get your, what is called, hair dryer. Okay, basic thing. Let's go to the room, and this will be your cupboard. Okay. So I get a bathrobe, safety box. Guess that's it for the basic wardrobe. And let's go to the room. Oh, you also get an aircon. And this is the light. And switch for the fan. Now you got a fan on top of the bed. And you have your power. Okay. This will be my bed. Then I get a bathing towel and swimming pool towel. There's a swimming pool outside also. This will be the fridge, TV, table and chairs for you to chill, relax. And then that's your light. The table, you will get complimentary water bottle, coffee, tea for you. And your rubbish bin, I get a balcony outside. Yeah, I will show you from the front view. I do not want to film outside now because there's kids swimming. Okay, I guess that's it about the room. And later I will show you how it looks like from outside. So that's it. This is the reception area where you do your check-in. And the entrance to the tent will be here. The restaurant is here. You have to go to the back. And here's all the multiple tents if you book here. Here's the balcony, and the door will open from there, from inside. And the front view, you will see swimming pool